So let's clear this up and see. It has this original let me just remove the outer. So अंदर वाले को ध्यान से खोलेंगे, but let me just get rid of the. So this is like a Pokemon Adventures, and मैंने बाकियों का देखा, but Pokemon Adventures something was new for me, so I thought let's give it a shot. And again it's the Viz Media. I think they are the Penguin Random House types, उधर का जो हर चीज़ छापते हैं. So this is the smaller one, and that one is a bigger one. So these are the two. So I'll just start with. Da-da-da. So this is that Pokemon Adventures Hidori Kushimoto. I think that was the. The print looks horrible ऊपर से. Where they have taken, मतलब मेरे को originally लग रहा. Please let me know in the comments. Does this looks original to you? This thing, but the color is so awesome. Like just look at that. At least they got the color, that thing right. This thing, see, Pokemon Adventures, the complete story. See, they got the color right. It looks good, like on a bookshelf. This is gonna take attention for sure. Like definitely. Like, look at it. Isn't that taking your attention? Definitely. So I'll just take it apart, this thing, all the 10 of them. So that how it should be. I think this is where it makes more sense. Pokemon Adventures, and this is 11th 12th. Let's just start from. I think ये उल्टा start हो रहा है. So I know that Japanese वाले mostly ऐसे start होते हैं. So this is Pokemon Adventures. This is this Ash? No, it is not Ash. So many Pokemon. उसको Pokédex मिलता है, and that Pokédex, like, it doesn't look like Ash. His name is not Ash. I think so. This is nice. Like state normal Pikachu, which is nice. They are giving update of the story. This is second. Printing quality is nice. Good. ऊपर से थोड़ा सा कट रहा है. That's one. Spoiler alert. मतलब क्या ही spoiler alert हो गया. Everybody knows the story. This is how Adventure Route Map 2. They are giving maps. They are giving कि कितने Pokemon से. They are updating the story so you can see कि like a snapshot. This is the third one. This is how it looks from the back. And this is characters journey so far. Polyrath, those things. This is Alakazam. So Pokemons are same, but it's not Ash because uska style same hai. This red versus blue. This thing. Also they reboot like Johto League. Johto League वगैरह is the. So now this is this many उनके power levels ताकि because it was okay. This is fourth. Is nice. This is उसमें डोडो था एक. And so far this, and this is got a catch. This is the route map, and this is current level of that thing. This is Pokemon Adventure 5. This is characters new. It is like gotcha, catch 'em all. This is a treasure map, and this is current level so far. This thing caught vagera. What's up? This is 6. So I think we have to quickly go through because it's gonna get boring. So just looking for getting the gist. This is the route map 6, and power level अभी तक नहीं दिया इसमें, probably missing है. This is 7th. So let's quickly wrap it up. Looks nice. So if we just have this is golem वगैरह and number seen, number caught 81 and 49. So हर किसी को नहीं बोलता because आपके पास pokeballs भी limited होता है. If you're a trainer, then you have to. It's also like an animal for you. You have to take care of it. It's not that आप ऐसे रख लिया और उसको कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं चाहिए. You have to give them food and other things. Like उसका थोड़ा दुनिया अलग काम करता है उस हिसाब से. But you get the point. Like it's like having kids. So you know how many you want because you have to take care of all of them. This is the map. And this is currently number 35 scene. I think हर एक trainer का अलग अलग है. This is 9th. And let's quickly jump through. Looks good. New Pokemon introduced. It's nice, like visual story. But if it's one proper Ash, yeah, these are like this is a legendary Pokemon. I know This is number caught and message from Mato. So this is a Pokemon message. This has a very bad printing quality. In back. That's gonna become Scyther, I think, if I'm not wrong. Not Scyther. Sorry, this is Bell something. No, Scyther only. Sorry guys, forgot. Those are like legendary Pokemons, and it's a very good story. Where is Nurse Joy? I think there is Nurse Joy, and they all have like running gags and things. This is 11th, so they make them a kiddie version of it, like of all the Ash Misty, but they kept the Pokemon same. मेरे को बहुत strong feeling है that I've seen it. Then this is the 12th. Oh, nice. Wow. This is how it ends. I just saw something. Let me just show you. I just saw एक Pokeball के अंदर का. I think राता था या कुछ तो उसके अंदर था. Yeah. Just see how Pokeball के अंदर राता कैसा दिखता है. Like look at it. So that's how they stay. I think they shrink it वैसा वाला. So it's like Pokeball के inside का first time. That's how they imagined. So yeah, all this with this Pokemon adventure, every one of them, link in the description of all of them. Bye bye, and these are all. Thank you.